Not in her face, Caleb.
Yeah, she grabbed it.
You can let her have it now.
You think she's like a dog
Don't break it.
playing tug of war. Careful.
You let her play.
Hey, you.
Let her have it.
She's like, I
Yeah,
don't
let
want
go.
it.
Let go.
Yeah, she grabbed it. You playing with your sister? Yeah, you're so funny. You can make her laugh, don't you? Avery. Say, it's okay. Oh, you give her a kiss. Look, you made her stop crying. You love those babies.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Caleb, you're such a good brother and cousin. Oh, you want to get them both scrubbed at the same time?
Are you gonna hold her hand?
They did it. Oh, Avery got it.
Are you talking? Are you talking to your cousin?
Feels like they're not cooperating. Open up. He's like forcing her fingers open.
Okay, Caleb, you're hurting her.
You gotta be gentle.
Caleb.
Caleb. It's okay, Avery. Hey, no. Don't. You want her to roll over?
Somebody's getting
Kinsley's bringing you new toys. Say hi, Kinsley. These are toys your G-Dad got you?
Watch out.
Wasn't that nice of Kinsley? She brought you a toy.